Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by using the fastest method. Press Ctrl plus Search plus H, that keyboard shortcut toggles high contrast / inversion on Chrome OS. Once pressed, watch the screen immediately. If colors flip back to normal, you're done. If you don't see change, don't panic. The keyboard shortcut is the quickest test of the accessibility toggle. Make sure both hands are steady and hold Search as the launcher key while you press H once. If the shortcut didn't help, open Settings and go directly to Advanced then Accessibility. Once there, select Manage Accessibility Features and scroll to Display. Turn off Use High Contrast Mode or Invert Colors. Depending on your Chrome OS version, the label varies. Doing this via Settings ensures the change persists across sessions, whereas a shortcut can be temporary. After toggling, give the screen a second to refresh and check multiple windows so you confirm colors return to normal. Once you've toggled the setting off, verify colors across apps and web pages. If inversion remains, sign out and sign back in, or restart the device to clear any stuck UI state. Make sure multiple profiles aren't applying different accessibility settings. If the problem persists, open Accessibility Settings again and use Reset Accessibility Settings. As a last resort, consider a power wash only after backing up data. Key tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.